Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to give a feedback in the TAP Portugal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down, and at the TAP Portugal section, click on the Tell us what you think button. And as you can see, you can rate and give a feedback by giving them stars. So I gave them 5 stars, and you can also leave a comment if you want to, but that's optional. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.